everyone, welcome back. In this video we'll be talking about anti-malware extension. So let's go ahead and start. For this specific lab I have created a separate resource group which is anti-malware. So to create this resource group you can just click create and add the relevant name here and the property region, and you can just review and create it. So that is how you can create the resource group. So let me go back and let's select our anti-malware resource group, and these are the resources that has been created. So let me show you how this is done. So initially you just need to click create, and now I'm not going to create a virtual network. Instead of that I'll go to create a virtual machine. So let's search for virtual machine and click create. So whenever you try to create a virtual machine in the specific region, the VNet will be created on its own. So if you see, like if I just give like VM1, just a second. So if I let me give it as VM1, and if you go and check here in the networking, you see it has been already created. So there is no need of going creating your virtual network every time. So you can directly create from here, or if you want any other configurations, you can go and directly create virtual network and then add the virtual machines accordingly. So you just need to create your virtual machine. So that is what all I did. So if I go back and if you check the resource visualizer, so this is our VM and it is connected to our VM1 VNet, right? So this is what we have did till now. So now we have to use anti-malware extension. For that we'll be specifically using that extension for this VM1. So let's go ahead and click VM1. And here under settings you can see there is an extensions plus applications. So click that, and here you see let's go ahead and add one, and let's go and search for anti-malware extension. So it's still not showing. So let me go back here. There you go. So click here. So basically Microsoft Antimalware Extension is a security tool designed to help protect your computer or virtual machine from malicious software such as virus, spyware, or any other type of malwares. So the extension is typically used in conjunction with the Microsoft Azure Security Center, which is now known as Defender for Cloud, to provide an additional layer of protection to your cloud-based workloads. The extension is designed to scan your system regularly and provide real-time protection against known and unknown threats. And it can be also detect and remove any malware that is found on your system. Overall, the Microsoft Anti-Malware Extension is a valuable tool for keeping your computer or virtual machine safe and secure. So that is what the definition of Microsoft Anti-Malware. So just need to select that and click next. And we have got the configurations of Microsoft Anti-Malware Extension. So coming to the first one, you can see exclude files and locations. So in this case you can exclude files and locations in Microsoft Anti-Malware Extension, which is refers to like files, folders, or paths that are specifically excluded from being scanned or monitored by the security tool. So this exclusion list is typically created by the user or the system administrator to prevent certain files or locations from being mistakenly flagged as malicious or causing performance issue due to the repeated scanning. So that is what the first one defines. Coming to the second one, which is file extensions. So file extensions in anti-malware extension refers to a specific type of files that are excluded from being scanned or monitored from malicious activity. Coming to the process, which is the third one, it is nothing but it refers to a specific programs or applications that are excluded from being scanned or monitored from the malicious activity. So that is what the definition of starting three columns rows. So coming to the real-time protection. So basically this real-time protection in anti-malware extension refers to a feature that continuously monitor your computer or virtual machine for any malicious activity in real time. This means that the security tool is consistently running in background and actively scanning your system for any suspicious files or process, and will immediately take action and quarantine those specific files or folders. So that is what it is. So you can disable it or you can enable, like usually we do enable it. So run a scheduled scan refers to setting up a specific time and frequency for a security tool to scan your computer or virtual machine for any malicious activity. This means that the security tool will automatically run full scan of your system at a scheduled time and will check for any suspicious files or process that may have been missed by real-time protection. So that is what it is. So you can just enable it. And coming to the next one, which is scan type. So there are two types of scans, which one is full and the other one is quick. So coming to the first one, which is quick scan. So it is a faster scan that checks the most common areas where malware is known to hide on your computer. So these files, this type of scan typically takes only few minutes to complete and is designed to quickly identify any obvious malware or virus that may be present. So however, quick scan may not check all the files and folders on your computer and may miss some or less common malware or virus. On the other hand, if you talk about full scan, it is a more comprehensive scan that checks every file and folder on your computer for any malware or virus. So this type of scan can take several hours to complete depending on the size and speed of your system, but is designed to provide a more thorough and complete scan of your system. So that is what the difference between these two is, a quick as well as full scan. So here you can schedule the scans. So coming to the scan day, you can select the appropriate date that you want to scan, and the next one is scan time. So what is 120 here? So if you check here, 0 is nothing but the scan will take at 12 a.m. and 60 is nothing but 1 a.m. and 120 is 2 a.m. So in this case 120 means 2 a.m. So you just need to add 60. So every time you add 60, like there will be 1 hour increment on that. So that is how you have to create this anti-malware extension. So once this is done, it will be installed on your VM and it will perform its operations. So yeah, coming to this video, I hope you guys understood the concept of Microsoft Malware Extension. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thanks everyone.